guys, what's up? If you're new here, hi, my name is Rose. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe down below if you haven't already. The little fam is growing and I just love all of you so much. I think I'm just gonna do a little weekend vlog for y'all. I know you guys love my vlogs, so I thought I would just bring you guys along with me this weekend. If you didn't already know, me and my boyfriend got our first apartment together about a month ago, a little over a month ago, and it's just such a great feeling living on the Upper East Side. It's just so fun to keep exploring our new neighborhood, and just it's so nice to have our own little sanctuary that we can live in and do whatever we want in. So the other weekend we went to IKEA, and basically, you know, you go out into the showroom and you pick, you know, everything you want. You take pictures of like the bin number and where you would get it in the warehouse, and then you go to the warehouse and you literally pick out the pieces of furniture that you're gonna build. And so we went to IKEA, so crowded, so packed, which kind of made me a little stressed in terms of like COVID and just being around lots of people in a confined space, but we did it. Surprisingly enough, they didn't have a lot of the stuff that we wanted, so I was like super pissed off. You know, it's like in the middle of Red Hook, like nowhere, and so we just came back home, and then that night at like 2 a.m. I was like still up, and I was like, let me just check on the IKEA website to see if all the things that we wanted are in stock. And so I checked, and they surprisingly were. I saw all of the things that we wanted literally online and to be delivered, and my friends had been telling me that like the delivery is like so backed up, it's gonna take so long. I literally like put the order in on like a Sunday and it came on a Tuesday, so it literally only took 2 days, and now we have so much IKEA stuff to build. Today we're just gonna be building a lot of furniture, and I thought you guys would enjoy that. I don't want to show you like the whole apartment because I really want to just have like that full furnished apartment tour, but I'll show you guys little bits and pieces to not leave you out of the loop. I'm excited, but I'm also know that the building process gets really stressful. There may be some arguments, so stay tuned. I'm really dead from my run, so I'm gonna shower and then we're gonna get to building. So I will see you guys when I'm all clean. Hey guys, got out of the shower. So I just got this new Briogeo Farewell Frizz cream that I saw Desi using, and just every time I get out of the shower and I just let it air dry, it just puffs up, and I like hate that. So I'm gonna try this. It says no harsh sulfates, silicones, or paraben's, and you can use it either to just put on your hair damply and then let it air dry, or you can use it and then blow dry it out. I'm just gonna let it air dry because I'm doing the first test. It really just says apply 1 to 2 quarter size amounts to damp hair evenly from root to tip. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just taking like this much. Smells really good. Apply from root to tip. I don't want to put like so much in, but we'll see how this goes. It smells really good. I think it has like rosehip oil in it, so you know that it's good. But today we're just kind of having a cozy, lazy, productive Saturday because we're building lots of furniture. And I really want Tom to watch Outer Banks with me. I've been like begging him to, so we'll see if that happens. It really gets the most frizzy up here, so I'm just gonna put a little extra. I don't want to overdo it, but just obviously it's not gonna get rid of all the frizz, but just that it will tame it. So that's what I'm hoping. Okay, I will let you guys know how I like this. So I really wasn't joking. We have lots of stuff to build. We have our bar stools or bar chairs that we have to build. Tom is actually building the utility cart slash bar cart. It says it was utility cart, but we just thought it would be a cute bar cart. Kind of goes with our overall vibe. So we have a lot of shit to build. We have the bar chairs. We have my desk for the bedroom where I'm gonna work and the chair to go with that. And then we have this extra dresser that we got to put more clothes in. We also just got a new mirror. I love this mirror. It's a huge floor length mirror. This is from Joss and Main. And I really liked just the light wood distressed white details. I feel like that's kind of our vibe for the living room. Okay, so Tom just built the little bar cart. I really like it. I like that it's just simple. Everyone has glass bar carts, but I just feel like that's not safe. Like, it's just, this is way better. It's just way more like durable and sturdy, and it's like cute. So there we go. We're gonna turn on some musica because I just can't build in silence and I don't want to hear the news right now. So about to jam out to some tunes. Building day. Bar chairs. Maybe it's you who say me. Tom got me hooked on the Kid Leroy. Tom's the handyman. This is another reason why we wanted these specific chairs, because they're stackable and we can like put them in the corner when we're not using them. So these chairs are like amazing and I'm really proud that we built them. So let's go. So this is my bedroom desk. It's coming together. I'm doing it all by myself. I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, I just finished building it all on my own. I'm literally so proud of myself. I think it's actually really cute. It turned out really cute. So it's just like a skinny long desk and it has this little like place underneath. Like I can put my phone. You can have like the cords running down, which is kind of cool. And I like this grate thing kind of, it's cute. The wheels are not really necessary, but they're cool. And I'm just so proud of myself for building this. IKEA makes it pretty easy for you to just follow the steps and build it. So I'm really proud of myself for building this bad boy all on my own. And now I have a place to work when Tom is in class and you know, we need separate spaces. So I'm gonna build the chair tomorrow and the dresser because I think we just need a little break. But we did a lot today, so I feel proud. Okay guys, I just put it in the bedroom. I want to show you what it looks like. This was like a really small indented space on my side. It's like I have that fits perfectly in. All I have to do is build the chair to tuck under and then we are good to go and I can work here in peace and quiet whenever I want. This Briogeo frizz cream really worked. I think I could have even used a little bit more, but for the most part it stayed down a lot and that is like the best feeling because I just hate frizz, not a fan of it. I want it gone. And yeah, I'm just so excited to like sit here and like do work and it'll just be really nice. So everything's coming together. Probably one of my favorite parts about the apartment. I just love coming out here and just seeing the city. It's so relaxing and calming, honestly. I used to be scared when we first came to the apartment, like going out on this deck, but 19 floors up now feels like nothing to me. So happy. I love seeing the like sunset reflections on the buildings. I think that's so cool. Okay, so before I forced Tom to start Outer Banks, because I've already watched it all, but until I forced Tom to start it, he's gonna play his stupid game and I'm going to watch Double Shot at Love season 2. It's so good. And I didn't even know there was a season 2 and then my sister told me and I'm like so hooked on it. So gonna watch Vinny and Polly and yeah, we're just having a chill Saturday. Like we just did mad shit. I'm not like about to go out. Just really tired, trying to just enjoy the free time. When you have a real job, it really makes you be like, wow, you value the free time so much more. So I'm just glad I have weekends, and yes, going to relax. Can't wait to get the couch so I can actually relax on the couch. Finally getting Tom to watch Outer Banks.
What color? What color should
Here we go.
we do? Tropical?
Yeah, can we do purple?
It's kind of harsh.
Let's go. So we finished Outer Banks, and now we are having the app. We always have a salad. Tom makes, you know, he takes like 2 hours every day to make a salad, so I appreciate it, but just trying to be healthy. It's just green leaf lettuce, raw broccoli, cucumber, tomatoes, celery, and I'm just having balsamic vinegar, but I usually like Caesar, but I'm trying to like not have it all the time because I know it's not the healthiest. So just having this, and then I'm gonna have leftover baked ziti that Tom made, which is so fire, and then the last burger that we have from last week, the baked ziti, it's so good. We usually do it without meat, but Tom tried it with meat this time, and it was like, it just gave it a lot more flavor. So I think it was the best baked ziti I've ever had, thanks to Bay. A lot of my friends always tell me, they're like, you're so lucky that like he loves to cook, and I'm like, I know, but yeah, so that's my life. Hashtag blessed. Okay, so I stupidly was so hungry and into my meal that I forgot to show you guys. But basically, this is it. I had the baked ziti, so delicious, and we still have a lot more. So that's what we love about dishes like that, is like they'll make you like at least like 4 rounds of dishes, so that's like great. But yeah, I'm gonna chill. I'll catch you guys in the AM. I have to do a work call tomorrow, and just lots of stuff, so see you guys in the morning. Started off a little later than expected and usual because I had to do a work call at 10 a.m. Finally getting the day started. So I've actually been having, this is like a new thing for me, I've been having honey in my coffee. I used to always do sugar. I was like a sugar freak. I love all the flavors. Like, I'm so obsessed with all of that, but I've just been trying to be a little healthier. And it tastes pretty good, honestly. It gives it like a unique taste. You have to get used to it, but then once you get used to it, I feel like it's really good. We just have a lot to do today. It's like kind of stressing me out just thinking about it. I have to work out if I have time. I have to do laundry, do chores, clean the apartment, build the rest of our furniture. I have to meet with one of my coworkers to go over stuff for tomorrow. I have a family Zoom call at 8 that we always do. Just lots of other stuff. So it's kind of stressing me out, but I'm just trying to be like calm about it, zen. I also wanted to paint my nails because like, what is this? So I'm gonna try to do all of that today. And yeah, I love Sundays. This view just is like amazing. Cheers to being productive. Okay, so this is what the desk chair is supposed to look like. This is what I am working with. It looks like, this is like the swivel part, but we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's not too hard. That's coming along, coming along. So this is it. I'm so proud of myself. You can spin it and you can lift it up. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Ready?
Whoa! Ooh.
Hey guys, guys, today has been very tiring to say the least. It's honestly kind of annoying because Tom and I were really excited to like get everything built and like done, and then we realized that the IKEA dresser that we got to finish off our room like requires a drill, and it's stupid because they don't tell you before you buy it that like you need this drill. Like, great advertising. The handyman that helped us with like some of our Wayfair stuff that he assembled, and he's just gonna come tomorrow and build it. So we're extra thankful for him. I wanted to show you guys the wings because Tom made wings and he tried this new recipe. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
Let's go. Buffalo sauce is equal parts butter and hot sauce.
How is it?
And any fixing, really good.
Tom's like a big wing fan. We're gonna have wings and we're gonna have more baked ziti because there's so much of it. It just feels good after like a long day of like cleaning and doing a lot of chores and like being extra productive. I even did a lot of work today. Assembled furniture, did laundry, like helped Tom clean the bathroom. Like we did it all. So that's like the best feeling. And then just when you start the week, it's like on like a fresh, clean slate. And just, it's a good feeling. So yeah, now we're gonna eat. So here's our din din. This is baked ziti and some wings. Okay guys, so I am about to shower, but I think I'm gonna close off the weekend vlog here. I have work tomorrow, so another busy work week. But yes, I will catch you guys in my next video, and let me know in the comments what types of videos you guys want me to make coming up. And yeah, just thank you all for watching. Love you all, and I will catch you in my next video.